Okay, here's our bridge for Aqualung. I find this to be quite a bit easier than the chorus that we just went over. And what we're going to do here is just use our chords. We're not going to use any suspensions except for one spot where we have the D suspended 4, which I'll show you. Basically, the strum for this one's quite a bit easier too. It's a down, up strum. Most of it is muted. And I'll show you how to do that right now. The way you mute the strings in the case of this song is we're going to use our left hand here. We're going to take our fingers slightly off the strings and mute them so that they're not going to ring when we hit the notes with our right hand. So it's going to look like something like this. And that basically goes on and on like that. So our chord change is going to look like this: E minor to D, and then back to E minor several times. Then when we come out of that, we're going to go A minor with a regular strum, no mutes, E minor, D, D suspended 4, back to D. And then they go back into what I like to call the second chorus, where it's the same chords as the first chorus except strummed. So I'm going to go ahead and play that along with the music for you so you can get a good look at what's going on and maybe associate some of the information I just gave you with what it looks like to have it played along with the music. Here we go. It's a second segment of the lesson because that actually follows the verse pattern, not the bridge pattern. I'm sorry, that follows the chorus pattern, not the bridge pattern. So we're going to call that the second chorus when we learn the song. And that's about it for the bridge, so let's move along and look at that second chorus section.